Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something every salesperson deals with: cold calling. More specifically, how to turn your cold calling results from meh to wow. But there's a catch: it all comes down to the quality of your follow ups. Let me tell you a story that might sound familiar. So, a few months ago, I worked with a salesperson who was frustrated with their cold calling results. They were doing everything right, or so they thought. They were making the calls, leaving voicemails, and sending follow up emails and repeating the cycle day in and day out. But the outcome was always the same: no callbacks, no meaningful conversations or replies, and absolutely no deals. The problem wasn't the efforts they were putting in. They were working hard, but there was one major issue: they were tracking the wrong metrics. They were tracking activity metrics, things like how many calls they made, how many voicemails they left, how many emails they sent. The issue was that the activity metrics don't tell you if your follow ups are actually working. They only tell you how busy you are, not how effective you are. And that's where the real problem lies. When you focus on activity metrics, you miss the most important part, which is engagement. Now, you might be wondering what I mean by that. Engagement metrics are actually a game changer because instead of just tracking numbers, you're actually starting to ask questions like: are your prospects answering your follow up emails? Are they clicking on links you sent? Or are they responding to your voicemails? It might even be if they were showing interest elsewhere, like checking out your LinkedIn profile. Now, when this salesperson shifted their focus from activity metrics to engagement metrics, the results were like day and night. They started to see which calls and emails that led to meaningful follow-ups. And they also identified patterns which messages resonated with prospects and also which didn't. And guess what? With this new data, they could refine their approach. They began prioritizing prospects who showed engagement after the call, and they tested different voicemail styles to see which one prompted callbacks. And they also crafted follow up emails that they were tailored to the interest the prospect has shown during the call. And within weeks, they saw real results: more callbacks, more conversations, and more deals that actually moved forward. And here's the takeaway: cold calling doesn't end when you hang up. It's the quality of your follow ups that determines whether your calls convert into real opportunities. So, if your cold calls end leading to results, ask yourself: are you tracking engagement, or are you just counting calls? Are you focusing on follow ups, or are you focusing on areas where the prospect has shown interest? Are you using engagement signals to refine your outreach strategy? Those are questions you should ask. So today, stop measuring activity for activity's sake. Start measuring the signals that shows that you're getting through. When you track engagements, your follow-ups go from just another touch point to the bridge to your next deal. Was this helpful? Then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sales and cold calling tips. I'm Emmanuel Onuoha Jr., and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.